Have you ever missed someone who's still in your reach? Looked into their eyes, trying so hard to see the person that gave you all those beautiful memories. After years of knowing their hearts so deep and holding out hope and trying to believe that one day they would come back when they'd broken free. And you gave more than enough, and the day came when you sobered up from love. Have you ever fought so hard to bring someone back to life while their heart is still beating and they're breathing just fine? And no matter how hard you tried, you just couldn't shake them to life. And it took all you had not to pick up the phone. After all that you had, you can't bear them feeling alone. But your heart has been shattered and you've run all out of road. And you gave more than enough, and the day came when you sobered up from love. And it comes down to all the choices we make. This is not about you. This is his road to take on his own. He's gonna find his way. You're gonna be okay now.
She said, I don't wanna go, but I don't wanna stay. If things keep going on this way. He said, what else can I do? I gave it all to you, working like a dog every day. She said, please just take your eyes and lock them in with mine. See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? He said, I don't understand. I've made the right plan. I've done all that you asked me to do. She said, yes, I appreciate much more than that, my love. I need you to be present here with me. See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? Last night in my bed, she turned to me and said, we can't seem to connect, but why? Oh, we want the same things, but there are wounds upon our wings, keeping us from starting to fly.